Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top, or if you haven't, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And now, right here at the top we have power button, press on it. And right here you can see this LED light, so it's turned on. After that, press one time at the Bluetooth icon to enter pairing mode. And now this LED light is changed, so we should see it at the device list. And just click connect near to it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.